In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed HTML code in a Klaviyo email. We'll start right from the Klaviyo dashboard and go all the way to adding your custom HTML into the email editor, so you can follow along step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Klaviyo account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find the option labeled Campaigns. Go ahead and click on Campaigns. This is where you'll see all of your existing email campaigns, as well as the option to create new ones. Next, click on the Create Campaign button. This starts the process of building a new email campaign where we'll be embedding the HTML. When you're asked to choose a type, select Single Channel. This tells Klaviyo that this campaign will use just one channel, in this case, email. You'll now see a field for the campaign name. Click into that field and type a clear, descriptive name for your campaign, something that will make sense to you later, like Custom HTML Test, or whatever fits your use case. Once you've named your campaign, click Continue to move on. On the next screen, you'll be asked to select who you're sending this campaign to. Click on Select a List or Segment. This will open a panel or drop-down with all of your available lists and segments. Choose the audience you want to target by clicking on the appropriate list or segment. After you've selected your audience, click Next to continue. Now you'll set up the basic email details. Type in your subject line and your preview text. These are what your subscribers will see in their inbox. So write something that's clear and enticing, and make sure the preview text supports your subject. When that looks good, click on Create to open the email editor. Inside the editor, you'll see different content blocks you can add to your email. Look for the block labeled HTML. Click on that HTML block and drag it into the email layout where you want your custom content to appear. Once the HTML block is placed, a panel will appear on the left-hand side with an empty HTML field. Click inside that field, then paste or type your HTML code directly into this area. As you add your code, you'll see a live preview of how it will render in the email. When you're happy with how it looks, your HTML is now successfully embedded in your Klaviyo email, and you can continue designing or move on to scheduling and sending your campaign.